Hey y'all, hope you had a great weekend. I've been cleaning out my beauty stuff and I realized I'm almost done with my Gressa Minimalist Serum Foundation and I want to do a review kind of on a full Gressa face. So I've got a before here and then I'll do an after, slice it in the video in a few minutes. But this is the foundation, it's Corrective Serum Foundation. When I first started using this last fall, I really saw improvements in my hyperpigmentation and melasma, so maybe it was the broccoli seed oil that helped. I wear color 1.5. It is a bit light. They did just do some repackaging, so I'm curious if they've changed the formula at all, but I'll let you know. Okay, so I didn't feel like putting on mascara, but you get the idea of fuller face here. So I have on the eye tint in bronze, and it's really an interesting texture. This is even the repackaged one. It's very like hard, but it does blend well, and it's a beautiful bronzy color, but it's a little bit tricky to layer on with other items. Like I think I like it. I'm not entirely sure I'd buy it again. I would buy the foundation again. I'm just testing out a few other foundations right now, but I have been really happy with it. The coverage is great. I don't even need any concealer when I wear this to help cover like my upper lip melasma and my other hyperpigmentation parts. I really just do more layers of this. It layers well and I really like it. So I love the idea of their bronze serum, and when I first put it on, it's gorgeous and it's subtle, and I use it with this Sephora brush number 90, but I do feel like after 15 minutes, it's just gone. And sorry guys, in the background, we're watching Moana. And then finally, I love the idea of their Lumiere fluid. This is the bright pink Elise, but it's, with both this and the bronzing serum, like it looks pretty, but it's very oily and not all of the oil has pigment in it. So this is just harder to work with, but overall, I've been happy with this brand and I'll definitely try them again.